Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best vacuum cleaners. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Meet the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, a lightweight, versatile vacuum designed for deep cleaning carpets, stairs, and hard floors with ease. At around $121.49, it offers strong value for a full upright vacuum with HEPA filtration and lift-away portability, making it a budget-friendly choice for allergy-conscious homes. Lift-away detachable pod for cleaning stairs and tight spaces. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen complete seal technology traps dust and allergens. Swivel steering for easier movement around furniture. Works on carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. Includes wide upholstery tool plus crevice tool for detailed cleaning. Lightweight design for easier carrying and use around the house. Corded power for consistent, strong suction. Pros. Strong suction for its price range. Great for allergy control, HEPA system. Very versatile with lift-away feature. Easy to maneuver under furniture. Cons. Corded design limits mobility. Not the quietest vacuum. Can feel a bit bulky in tight storage spaces. Number 4. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360. This is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360, a powerful upright vacuum built for deep carpet cleaning and versatile whole home use. At around $187.99, it sits in the mid-range segment, offering upgraded dust capacity and strong HEPA filtration. Good value if you want more durability and less frequent emptying. Lift-away detachable pod for stairs, furniture, and tight spaces. Large dust cup capacity reduces frequent emptying. HEPA filter traps fine dust, allergens, and pet dander. Swivel steering for smoother control around furniture. Works effectively on both carpets and hard floors. Includes upholstery tool plus crevice tool for detailed cleaning. Corded design ensures steady, strong suction without battery fade. Bagless system for easier maintenance and lower long-term cost. Pros. Strong suction performance for deep carpet cleaning. Bigger dust cup than NV352, less frequent emptying. Excellent allergen control with HEPA filtration. Very versatile lift-away design. Cons. Slightly heavier than basic models. Corded operation reduces mobility. Can feel bulky in smaller apartments. Number 3. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. This is the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a budget-friendly pet-focused vacuum designed for strong carpet cleaning and everyday mess control. At around $119.99, it delivers excellent value for pet owners, offering strong suction, a large dirt tank, and specialized brush technology at a lower price than many competitors. Triple action brush roll lifts, loosens, and removes pet hair efficiently. Swivel steering for easy movement around furniture. Scatter-free technology reduces mess on hard floors. Large capacity dirt tank for longer cleaning sessions. Multi-cyclonic system helps maintain consistent suction. Edge-to-edge cleaning improves corner and wall performance. Lightweight upright design, around 12.5 pounds. Includes hose and attachments for upholstery and tight spaces. Simple push-button controls with one power level. Pros. Very strong performance for pet hair at this price. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Large dirt tank reduces frequent emptying. Good carpet cleaning power. Cons. Can be noisy during operation, 80 dB. Only one power level, no fine control. Not ideal for premium hard floor finesse. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E. This is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E, a pet-focused upright vacuum designed for deep carpet cleaning, hard floors, and strong allergen control. At around $199.99, it sits in the upper mid-range of the Navigator lineup, offering better filtration, pet tools, and a longer warranty. Good value for pet owners and allergy-sensitive homes. Lift-away detachable pod for portable cleaning on stairs and furniture. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen complete seal traps 99.9% of fine particles. Pet power brush designed to remove embedded pet hair. Swivel steering for smoother navigation around furniture. Brush roll shutoff for switching between carpet and hard floors. 2-speed control for different cleaning needs. Includes dusting brush plus crevice tool plus 5-foot hose. Works on carpets, hard floors, upholstery, and mixed surfaces. Washable filters reduce long-term maintenance cost. Pros. Excellent for pet hair removal. Strong HEPA plus sealed filtration system for allergies. Very versatile lift-away design. Comes with useful pet-focused attachments. 5-year warranty adds extra confidence. Cons. Slightly heavier than basic models. Smaller dust cup, 0.87 L, compared to some rivals. Can be noisy, 80 dB. Number 1. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. This is the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a budget-friendly, pet hair-focused vacuum built for powerful everyday home cleaning. At around $119.99, it delivers strong value for pet owners, offering high suction performance, a large dirt tank, and useful cleaning tech at an affordable price point. Triple action brush roll designed to lift and remove pet hair effectively. Swivel steering for easier movement around furniture and corners. Scatter-free technology helps reduce mess on hard floors. Large 1L dirt tank for longer cleaning sessions. Multi-cyclonic system maintains more consistent suction. Edge-to-edge cleaning improves wall and corner reach. Lightweight upright design, 12.5 lbs. Includes hose plus attachments for upholstery and tight spots. Simple push-button controls with one power level. Works well on carpets, hard floors, and mixed surfaces. Pros. Very strong pet hair cleaning for the price. Easy to maneuver and lightweight. Large dirt capacity reduces frequent emptying. Good overall carpet performance. Cons. No variable suction or speed control. Can be loud during operation, 80 dB. Not ideal for premium quiet or delicate cleaning needs. If you're looking for a budget pet vacuum with strong performance, this is a solid pick. Check the product link in the description for current deals and availability. Like the video and subscribe for more quick vacuum comparisons and reviews.